Hey everybody, it's Lisa Freeman here from stampingwithlisa.com, and I'm bringing you a new how-to video today. I wanted to show you how to make this gorgeous card using the Country Floral Embossing folder. This is my new favorite embossing folder that Stampin' Up! Has ever come out with, and it is, well, it was free. When we had Celebration a month ago, during January, February, or March, you could get this for free. And it's not available right now, but it will be available in June. So Stampin' Up! Is carrying it over, which they never, ever do. But they have a couple things that they carried over from Celebration, and they're going to be available in the new catalog. And this is one of them, I think, because it was so popular. They're going to have it in the new catalog. So I'm really excited about that. So I just made one video, and then this is my second one. And I've got one more that I'm going to do, showing you a couple things that you can do with this embossing folder. And this card is so easy. It is like literally 2 minutes. So let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is grab some Whisper White cardstock. And, oh, now I forgot what to, oh, here it is. Okay. So you just need a piece of Whisper White. And this is 5.5 by 8.5. And then you need a piece of powder pink. This one I've already embossed, but it is 4 by 5.25. So all you're gonna do is fold this in half and score it in half, fold it. And this one, I didn't bring one that wasn't embossed, but all you have to do is take your plain piece of powder pink cardstock. I can't believe I didn't bring one that wasn't embossed already. And you're gonna ink up your embossing folder. And you open it up and you kind of feel which side is flat. And the side that's flat is the side that has the Stampin' Up! On it, the little logo there. So this side is flat, it has your indentation there, and this side is the bumpy side. So if you feel it's bumpy, that's not the side you want to ink up, because that's not going to work. So you open up your ink pad, and you just rub your ink pad across it. So you just rub it like this. You can tap it if you want, but that gets too much ink on there. And then it tends to get inside those indented parts, and then that's not what you want to do. So I like to just rub it lightly, and you want to rub lightly. Not too heavy-handed, because that'll put too much ink on it. So just put it in there, rub it across there like that. And then once you do that, you put your paper down like this, and then close it. And then you're going to put it in the Big Shot like this. You just have your your Big Shot platform, and then your cutting pad, and you're going to put that on top. And this is one of those thick embossing folders that you only need one cutting pad with. So you put it through like this, and then when it comes out, the ink is going to go on the back part. So all the parts that pop up are not going to have ink on them. They're just going to stay the plain powder pink color, and the ink's going to stay on the background. Isn't that cool? So that literally takes like a minute. And then you're just going to put the card together. And let me show you how to do that. I can't believe I didn't bring one that wasn't done already. That was crazy, but anyway, that's all you got to do is just ink up the embossing folder and stick it in there and run it through. It's like 1 minute. All right, so we're going to put the ribbon on here and just put some tape on it. And we're making like a little faux bow here, so you don't waste any ribbon. And then use the Tombow glue. Oops, that is crooked. Hold on 1 second. Oh, it's still crooked. Okay. Ah, I can't even get it straight. Oh, well. Okay, this is hysterical. All right, so let's see. Okay, that works. Okay, let's put it down now. Okay, get that on there. Give it a good rub down. All right, and then I've got another piece of ribbon we're going to use for our little bow on the front. Well, it's really just a knot, it's not a bow. And just pull that. We're just going to do like a single knot here and then trim it. Usually I keep it on the roll so you don't waste any, but I just have this extra piece cut already. And then I've already stamped the words and punched them out. So really this is like a 2-minute card because I've done all the work ahead of time. All right, and put dimensionals on the back of that. And just put that down. And there you go. Like a 2-minute card. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that effect with the tone on tone. And you can do that with any color cardstock. If you want to use, you know, blue or purple or whatever, just use the same color ink with the same color paper. So, you know, if you use like Highland Heather, use Highland Heather ink. So I wanted to show you a few other things that I did with it. So here is what it looks like. If you just do it just on white, this is what it looks like. So see that? So that's just a plain piece of white. And then this one, I just sponged it. So I just embossed it first. I got glue on my fingers now. I took it, ran it through the embossing folder, then I just took a sponge and I just kind of lightly sponged over top of it with, this was, what color did I use on there? I think it was Balmy Blue. Yep, I think it was Balmy Blue. And just lightly sponged across it, and that's what it, oh, I wrote it on the back. Yep, Balmy Blue. That's what it comes out to look like. And then this one, I did exactly the same thing that I did a minute ago, but I used white. I started with white cardstock, and then I inked it up with the Balmy Blue, and then ran it through. And so this is what it comes out to look like in that color. So that's white with any color you want. And then I thought that was a little bit too dark. So then what I did was I took the sponge brayer, and while the ink was still on here, so I had inked it up, and then I took the sponge brayer and I just took some of the ink off of it and did this. And then put the paper down, and it came out like this. So that kind of softened it up, and I thought that really looked cool. So that gave it like a softer look. And I can tell by looking in this camera, it's like coming out darker than it really is, because this really is like a light blue in real life. But I thought that was cool looking. And then this I wanted to show you. This is Coastal Cabana, and this is just plain embossed, and then this is sponged with Coastal Cabana. So it's just the difference of sponging it, how it pops. Oops, let me put it the same way. So you can see how it just pops with sponging it. So I thought that was a really cool way to show it, because it just makes such a difference when you do that sponging. But I just wanted to show you a couple things you can do with it to really make this folder pop out, and not just make it so plain, because I mean, you can do it and it's gorgeous if you just do it on white. I mean, it's just gorgeous like that, but if you add some color to it, it really does make it pop. And I did have one other one, but I don't know what happened to it, where I did it, oh, here it is, this one. This one, I actually did the other side. So remember a minute ago I said don't do the bumpy side or it'll come out weird. So this is what I did. I did ink up the bumpy side. So if you ink up the bumpy side and run it through, this is what happens. You get the debossed side. So this is the regular side, which is embossed. This is the back of it, which comes out. So actually the parts that are raised are colored and the background stays white. So I thought that was pretty cool looking too. So if you do the bumpy side by accident or on purpose, you'll get this look. So I thought that was pretty cool. So there you go. There's a bunch of cool techniques you can try with that embossing folder. So if you haven't gotten it yet, hold on till June 2nd and you can order yours. So here's a picture in case you want to take a picture. Here's this one again. Oops. Put it down there so you can take a picture. Oh, there you go. All right, so I hope you liked this video. Hope you got some good ideas. And if you do, whoops, there's something on there. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up, and hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos, just click through and look at the other ones. And hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to stop by my blog, stampingwithlisa.com. See y'all later.